These pieces actually came to us in a box of J&G Meek in Blue Nordic, but this is Johnson Brothers Indies pattern. Very similar, very similar cobalt blue, and they mix and match very, very well. But for purists wanting Johnson Brothers trios, then we are offering this set. A nice rotated rib wall teeper. That's a little version, variation, should I say, from the Blue Nordic, which is straight rib-walled teacup, some far more angulated stylized base. Blue Indies is this lovely blue and white pattern with the birds and flowers and borders in a quite naive sort of Nordic Scandinavian type feel to it. Very clean, these teacups, as you can see. Tall loop handle with a little bit of a bulge in it here, which is part of the design. Made in England on the base, no indication that this is actually a Johnson Brothers piece until we get to the saucer. 5 5/8 from memory, maybe 5 7/8, I can't remember, but it will be in the listing, the exact dimensions of this. Again, rotated rib walling in the moulding here. Lovely block work, really nicely covered with the central portion in the Blue Indies pattern. And there we have a late 20th century dishwasher and microwave safe Johnson Brothers mark. Same again on the side or T-plate, 6 7/8 inch here. Need a bit of a wash, this one. It's been in storage obviously for quite some time. It's quite dusty. This one's got the pictorial Indies brother Johnson Brothers, an earlier dishwasher safe ironstone mark, probably dating this back to the sort of 50s and 60s. But as trios go, I mean, the combination is just delightful. They mix really nicely despite their different eras and give you this lovely blue and white china effect on the table. Nicely sized variation, so you see both borders and a little bit of the pattern on the tea plate sitting under a saucer when they are placed ready for afternoon tea. So if you like these, and we do have quite a good range of Johnson Brothers Blue Indies in currently, including duos, trios, and a lot of flatware and serveware as well. But we'll pop a link in the description below taking you through to the website listing for these Blue Indies Johnson Brothers trios. Thanks for watching.